Hi, with National Healthcare Week, we thought it would be a good time to thank the community for everything that they have done during this time of COVID. Also want to thank everybody for their understanding related to coming in with the extra screening, the things that are needed to help us keep everybody safe. A lot of information out there right now, so please take time to get a good information on reputable websites. CDC, the state of Nebraska also has some websites out there for any information you need for COVID. Also want to thank everybody for their donations related to the masks. We've also had hand sanitizer donated, helping us keep people safe. So again, take time to keep everybody safe. Put your masks on. Make sure that you're doing things that we need to do to keep the spread of this disease down. Thank you again during Healthcare Week. We appreciate everything that you do.
As we prepare to celebrate National Healthcare Week a little bit differently than we have normally in the past, I was going to talk a little bit about what BCH has done to prepare for a COVID epidemic in our community. We first started in the beginning of March implementing a COVID task force that meets 3 times a week, focusing on recommendations from the CDC, Department of Health and Human Services, and Public Health Solutions. One of our first initial tasks was implementing a COVID unit on acute care, which allowed us to add additional negative airflow rooms to care for potential COVID positive patients. We have actually also worked very diligently to expand testing in our region, being one of the only sites in Nebraska that offers rapid testing. One of the ways that you could get tested if you so need it is calling our 1-800 number, which is 1-800-859-0240, where you will meet one of our diligently dedicated trained nurses that will screen you for COVID based off of your symptoms, fever, and exposure. After that point, you will have options for our drive-through testing offered Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 5:30 to 7:30, or an appointment at Beatrice Medical Center in our upper respiratory clinic. Thank you for continuing to practice safe social distancing and keeping our community safe.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to go ahead and take a moment to thank everyone as we get ready to celebrate National Healthcare Week here at Beatrice Community Hospital, but then also nationally. I specifically want to thank those in the community that have supported us not only throughout the year, but also during this time in the last couple months during the COVID-19 outbreak. We certainly have had your support, but definitely have felt it in the last 2 months. Whether that be just signs of encouragement, words of encouragement, providing or donating personal protective equipment, or even in some circumstances providing meals to our staff, which I know that they have really appreciated. So thank you so much for everything that you guys have done to help support our organization. Obviously lots of times of uncertainty, and we are doing the best that we can to stay up to date on all recommendations and serve our community as best we can. So know that everyone here definitely has you, the patient, and our community in mind as we make all of those modifications. And just want to say thank you to all the staff here who also are part of our community and help support this healthcare system that we have, and help make it as strong as it has become, and I appreciate all that they have done. as we make our way into almost 2 months now of restrictions and quarantines, I know that this can be difficult for everybody. And so it's really important that everyone still take time to do what they can to stay healthy at home and be safe. And so for a lot of folks that can mean being outside a little bit more as the weather improves, exercising outside, that helps both with stress and your physical fitness. Obviously, if you can do that with a safe amount of social distancing, that's certainly appreciated. We hope in the coming weeks we will start to see some signs that we're near the end of this, and we here are anxious for that and are closely monitoring the circumstances locally as well as nationally, so that we can respond as quickly as possible and start to get things back to normal, which is what we all really, really want. But just know that we appreciate it so much here at Beatrice Community Hospital, and that all of our staff appreciate the support from everyone within the community, and look forward to getting back to what will be a new normal, hopefully soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your support of Beatrice Community Hospital.